So Ayushi, how would you imagine a Diane or a Churel to look like?
A lady with a white sari and very long hair, big those kind of nails. उसके पाँव उल्टे होने चाहिए.
Hi guys, welcome to 2Gs.
This is Diane Aishi,
And this is Churel Mansi.
and today we are spiraling from the Halloween center. Ooh.
Happy Halloween, guys. Jai Halloween. We are not spiraling today, guys.
We are
not-
following
What are we following about?
Churels, Dianes, or any female supernatural beings. So, Mansi, now that we have discussed how we think of Churels and Diane, आपको क्या लगता है कि ये जो इमेजिनेशन है ये कहाँ से इन्फ्लुएंस हो रही है?
I think मेरे लिए it started out with I want to be a cool kid and फिर कोई है was a legit thing at 2 a.m. to watch. It's stemming out of that 5-year-old kid who used to watch फिर कोई है. And later on, of course, you have watched a lot of movies, a lot of things that were inspired by it.
I think for every Delhi or North Indian kid, मतलब हमारा ये इमेजिनेशन है कि अगर आपने कजन्स के साथ रात के 2 बजे भूतों की कहानी नहीं डिस्कस करी तो आपने चाइल्डहुड नहीं जिया है. सो आई थिंक दैट इज वेयर ऑल्सो फिर कोई है, देन लेटर ऑन आहट and discussing who is a chudel, who is a Diane, and that really famous folklore where I think रोहिणी के फ्लाईओवर पे people used to say कि वहां पर एक white साड़ी में एक लड़की अगर आपसे
और
लिफ्ट
वो आपके
मांगे.
साथ भागती है.
हाँ, yes, yes. मानसी, have you seen that news जहाँ हिमेश रेशमिया की लिरिक्स से लोग चुड़ैलों और डायनों को
तक 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 तंदूरी.
Residents of Bhalej, about 80 kilometers from here in Anand, have banned the song, saying those who listen to it or sing it gets possessed. I think it was the opposite. So I have heard a lot of Himesh Reshamya songs. I think he's.
I think you are possessed though.
And while we were researching spiralers, हमें पता चला कि हम लोग चुड़ैल और डाइन को interchangeably use कर रहे हैं, but they are not the same. And please don't quote us on this research because हमने research करी नहीं है.
हमने ChatGPT
that chudel and Diane are two categories of female supernatural beings, and it's very, very imperative of us to discuss this.
Yes.
So the biggest difference between a chudel and a Diane is that chudel is dead, she's a ghost, and Diane is very much alive. Chudel is somebody who has been wronged in her life. Either someone did something really awful to her or to her loved one, or her anger and rage was suppressed, so she literally had to die and avenge for her misgivings in the afterlife, is what a chudel is. But Diane is a very, very alive woman who is very beautiful, and she knows it. Okay, she and if you think of Diane as your typical femme fatale in a noir movie,
yes.
मतलब वो अपनी sexuality से आपको रिझाएगी. और one characteristic trait of a Diane is that she uses black magic, and I think reversed feet are very common. It's common in both. So imagine Konkana Sen Sharma from Ek Diane Thi. That's a Diane. And Chudel will be more of which movie should we think of a Chudel? Is it Stree? Yes, Stree. That would be a more of a Chudel.
Yes, and उसी में अगर हम श्रद्धा कपूर को ले लेंगे तो वो डायन थी.
हाँ, वो witch थी. She was the witch. So I don't know how she became a witch.
वो उसकी बेटी थी चुड़ैल की.
You know why? Because चुड़ैल जो कुछ अपनी लाइफ में नहीं कर पाई वो अपनी बेटी को सिखाती है. And that's where our next topic is. What does these traits signify? It's so sad.
It's so sad to discuss this also.
Let me put my hat here.
Down. And my horns.
Yes, please go ahead.
But it's just sad to know that women has to either die or get some power to get some space in the reality, which is so dark, right? Because these Churels, these Dians, both, I think both have been wronged in certain senses, or both needs power to stand up against men of this society. Mostly that is what is happening, right? So it's like you have to go above a reality
You have to die and become supernatural.
to have a voice, to show who you really are, how you are not ready to take this repression anymore. These atrocities needs to end, and not just for you, but for every other person that is happening.
Yes.
Because these women then and these are not even shown in the heroic light. Ideally these should be shown in a very heroic light.
Yeah, because if women avenges, she becomes a chudel,
Yes.
and if a man avenges, it becomes a 100 crore movie.
Yes, and they are also not dying.
Yeah, they're very much alive, and they are avenging the revenge of whatever wrong has been done to them.
Yes.
But when churels do it, people certainly have issues with that. All the atrocities that happen to the churel figure when she's alive are deeply rooted in patriarchy.
Yeah.
So either she's not giving birth to a boy, so she's killed, or she unfortunately is assaulted, so she's killed, or she kills herself because of honor. So these atrocities are very much a cause of a patriarchal society. And instead of being an iconic boss bitch who comes back and kills those people who does it to her, she's just seen as this really scary ghost.
Yes.
Next time a chudel comes to you, you just say yes, queen.
Do it. I am with you. Let me also die.
And on the other hand, Diane is like everything that Chudel could not be. So she's this person who is very much in tune with her sexuality, and something that people are, they just get there, they can't handle a woman being okay with being hot or being okay with her sexuality. And that's what causes such a threat to us as a society, that we need to demonize it. We need to say, oh, this woman who uses a beauty which men are buying. If you don't have if you have problem with women using their beauty, why are you buying it? Diane becomes a figure, she's a scary figure because she's antithetical, or she's a foil to a typical Indian docile woman who is domesticated, and her sexuality is only for reproduction. How dare you want to enjoy one thing in your life?
And how dare you want to even rebel, have a voice? You are not getting domesticated, so you will be given a tag of Diane even in real life.
Huh.
Even if you don't have superpower, you will be called a Diane. So own it. We are just saying, own it.
when
Because it's so beautiful, whatever we have told you about being a Diane. It's so beautiful that men are threatened by Dianes.
every time a person calls you Diane, you just say, oh, you think I'm pretty then?
Thank you.
Because only pretty girls are Diane, let me tell you that. We have to really think about why do they use magic?
Hmm.
Because the world is black, so they have to do black magic to deal with it. Like, take the choti and put choti on their own choti,
So that they become more powerful.
they become more powerful. We will take this.
Magic, in certain sense, is all
Hmm.
about psychologically changing people,
Hmm.
psychologically surprising them. So a
Hmm.
Diane is doing that.
Yes.
They are psychologically surprising you in certain sense, because while this femme fatale type figure was walking around you like you were a tree and she
Hmm.
was dancing all over, and as soon as you go this, she'd be like thappad padega.
The movie Bulbul, it actually flips the script, because she the Bulbul character, she metaphorically dies after she loses the innocence of a child bride who came, who falls in love with the younger brother, right? She falls in love with Avinash Tiwari's character.
Hmm.
She's waiting for him, and her body is, you know, violated. Her feet are mutilated. She's beaten. So so this figure is not turned into, and then she becomes supernatural. But instead of showing the supernatural as something related to the netherworld, she becomes a Kali.
Yes.
So that kind of power is associated with Shakti. And lot of, you know, and if you read about Kali and Durga Ma, yonicness and sexuality is a very important part of their ethos. So I really, matlab, this is Mansi's point, of course, but it is such a beautiful thing, that such a beautiful way to see that everything that turned her into a quote unquote chudail or a Dian, that is not a Dian who is part of the hell, but is actually Shakti. She's protected by Kali Ma, and she still has those long hair. Her feet are reversed. She
Yes.
had her feet are reversed in that movie, because not because she has become diamond, they were mutilated.
Even symbolically, when we read about Kali, she is the person who everyone fear of. She is Durga avatar only. Well, Durga by the
Yes.
day and Kali by the night is
She
something.
became Kali
She
so that
became Kali for all the atrocities and all the things that she need to
I
fight
think
off.
because of Rakta Beej. I
Rakt Beej and all,
no.
but the idea of Kali, I was talking symbolically. Of
Yes,
course, there is a
symbolically.
proper folktale about it.
Hmm.
But when you listen to Kali, you see so much anger, so much vengeance, so much things that are associated of her fighting with the society type thing, her own society that was there.
Ma, matlab, I believe she is a mother to us. So many avatars give so much range to now what is being considered a Dian or a Chudail.
Chudal, yeah.
We, in our culture, we at one point revere these traits. We worship them. And on the other hand, if women are uh, showcasing those traits, they are demonized. The sad part is that while we were researching for it, I will also link down the article. Witch hunt is a literal reality of our country. There are so many states like Orissa, Jharkhand, where if women are, they are suspicious of women practicing black magic, or are thought of as quote unquote witches, they are killed. So this is not just people being stereotypical towards women. There are far bigger repercussions of you being considered a supernatural entity.
Yeah.
And that supernatural is just that you are not a docile wife to us and bearing us 10 kids. That's what it is. Or you're not making food for us. Oh, how dare you? How dare you have a life of your own?
Even since our childhood, the idea of Chudel and Nayan has been there in our day-to-day functioning as well. Like, I have curly hair, she has curly hair. Of course, she has straightened it right
Yes.
now, but I have not straightened it for a reason that I would like to just own up that these are my hair, despite the fact that my own mummy has called me Chudal for these hair.
Oh my god, absolutely. I have been called unkempt and untidy.
Yes, just because my hair looks a certain way, just because we behave a certain way, just because we have the voice to raise it. And I would like to call myself a privileged person because I can raise my voice without being, of course, I get demonized in certain sense. Oh, I can't, I have to take it back then. Oh, yes, I get demonized every day
But
for
the
voicing.
privilege is that demonizing is not hampering your physical wealth.
Yes, I'm not dead right now.
Though we are being said verbally, but a lot of our movement is not restricted because of this, or there is not a constant threat of us being considered a certain way. So there's the privilege.
So more of a metaphor even today we use, right? Chudel and Nayans, like one of the
चुड़ैल
example.
लग रही है.
Yes. One of the example is I was also called a Chudel for like taking a boy away from a group of friends.
Who are very toxic, by the way.
But if I can actually manipulate you in certain sense, okay, I have done my job. Certain sense. I am the male figure now. I can gaslight and all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think curly hair also symbolizes being disheveled.
Yes.
And again, so socially it is patriarchy, psychologically chudail or being disheveled means madness. A woman who cannot be understood is mad. It's she's hysterical, and that's why she's supernatural. That's what it means. So हमारे को आप समझ नहीं पा रहे हो तो by a very male centric epistemology, मतलब male centric knowledge systems, तो आप पागल हो.
One thing that is not according to you, and we are called mad, or the modern version is, are you PMSing? Yes, I am.
Yes, it is so annoying that if you have any legitimate reaction to somebody's action, this has and of course there are ways that our hormones affect us in certain parts of our cycle, so we will see the nuance of it, but using it, this statement, as a end all response to any reaction that a woman gives, that we have a problem with. बिल्कुल सही बोला. It's a toned down version of like, are you mad?
Yeah.
Are you crazy? You are uncontrollable to us. And even for like being a Diane, the lesser version is that she stays.
आजकल के जमाने में तो ये बोलते शी इज वेरी चालाक.
But
And for
it
the
is.
longest period, as women, we were also, I, ये मेरा ऐसा point, I don't know if you'll put it or not, whatever.
Now put it.
But as a woman, it was very uncool to be a woman. I don't know if it makes sense. I always wanted to be associated with boys because women were never made to feel female. If we were made to feel female, then we were mad only. But अगर मैं
Yes.
मर्द बन जाऊंगी तो मैं mad नहीं हूँ. मेरे anger issues doesn't matter.
100%, because we have gendered traits. And okay, you are gendering traits, but then you are also putting those traits in a hierarchy. Ki rational means it's a masculine trait and it is superior than being emotional, which is a female trait. That's why, because we have internalized this hierarchy of traits, that we want to dissociate being considered inferior, and that's why we become, I'm not like other girls.
I think I have loved being a woman
Yes,
rather
even if
than
we are
being
chudails and
even
dians,
even when I'm called a chudail Diane, I don't care
don't care, absolutely.
because I'm like, yeah, I am. Thank you.
And this is a pitch to Bollywood: make a great male ghost movie. Make it. You know why they don't make a male ghost movie? Because men are much more scarier when they're alive.
Yes. Wow.
Women become scary when they have supernatural traits. They have to, मतलब चद्दर ऐसा करना, हु या चिल्लाना, या men are just scary in general. You walk down on a dark, dimly lit street in Delhi at 10 p.m. Each and every man walking on that street is scary to you.
My only problem with Bollywood is they are demonizing women, but a man is a heroic figure in that movie. A woman is not a heroic figure in that movie.
Women is never a ghostbuster.
Except Stree.
But Stree is also witch ना.
नहीं, स्त्री तो चुड़ैल होती है ना.
हाँ, स्त्री की बेटी, sorry.
हाँ.
श्रद्धा कपूर.
हाँ, but Stree was a little bit celebrated movie, and that's why I liked Stree, and I didn't like Stree 2.
I also didn't like Stree.
Because they flipped the whole thing, and they first flipped the fact that मर्द डर रहे हैं एक चुड़ैल से. Now they're like एक सरकटा आदमी आ चुका है.
They have made it a Marvel series now. मतलब.
And it's problematic. I liked Stree. That's why I liked Stree, because it was flipping of the script. It was a woman, of course, demonizing first, but then became a hero.
हाँ, स्त्री हमारी रक्षा कर.
Yes.
Yes.
और उनका पूरा पुतला था जो उन्होंने लगाया था. So it was a beautiful representation of a demonic figure as well, I think.
Yes, it is when you realize that why did she become a chudail?
Yes.
And that her idea is that she has been traumatized and all she wanted was, being united with the person she loved. So when you see that way, so she becomes a tragic figure.
Yes.
And I think, yeah, you're right. Street 2 is about just taking the lore and putting it into that Marvel type of universe. I also
It's
didn't
like
like
कि जो भी लड़की रिबेल कर रही है उसको हम चुड़ैल बनाएंगे है ना?
it.
So we were all चुड़ैल्स in that.
Oh, in fact, Nagin's whole personality is to take revenge when somebody kills a Nag. That's what you're doing, honey. Why?
मरने तो ना.
I mean, आप इच्छाधारी हो. You should have ichhas other than avenging for your Nag. There must be more ichhas in your life. And we should not even start with the representation of the supernatural in the TV. इट हैज गॉन क्रेजी. कभी उनने पता है क्या किया है, बस वो साड़ी पहनने वाली तुलसी और क्या बोलते हैं प्रेरणा वाले कैरेक्टर्स को बस सुपरनैचुरल बना दिया. दैट्स सच अ ट्रेजेडी. यू टुक अवे ऑल द रिबेलियन आउट ऑफ इट एंड नाउ you have just a mix and match of a vampy figure who happens to have supernatural powers.
Who is also fighting with a rebellious vampy figure. There are two Nagins now. One is like very beautiful. Of course, both of them are beautiful in certain sense, but beautiful in the way कि भाई she's very domesticated also.
Bahu.
She's serving the pati also, and she's just avenging the outsiders. And she is fighting this another woman
who's a bad
who is a femme
Nagin.
fatale. Because she is also rejecting her pati, and they're fighting. अरे मर्दों से लड़ो भाई.
Are because she's just a bahu in the day and Nagin at night now. They have stripped away any form of agency that these figures have had, and they're just using it so that they can increase the spectacle for a brain dead Indian watching or Indian TV watching audience. तो वो कोई भी इसलिए नहीं बना रहा है वो टीवी या वो सीरियल because it is interesting. No, because they want to make a statement, but because उनको लगता है कि अब तो ये सास बहू के जो ड्रामे हैं वो थोड़े से मेन स्ट्रीम हो गए, तो अब हाउ टू रेज द स्टेक्स. व्हाट आर योर फेवरेट नागिन स्लैश डायन स्लैश चुड़ैल representations?
I think I loved Vidya Balan in Bhool Bhulaiya. I know it's not it's like mix of Chudel, Diane, psychological things, but I have cried in that movie. I don't know why people were fearful of that movie, but I have cried in that movie because the scene where she's killing that Raja, fake Raja, it's stemming out of so much anger
Female
because
rage.
she was wronged just for loving. She only loved. And the fact that a woman is not even allowed to love is very sad for me. And I think Vidya Balan played it really, really well.
And we can have a whole side spiral on how poor Bengali women are, stereotyped as these Dians, women who practice black magic on you. And if you know how to practice black magic, sometimes teach me. Sometimes the world is so bad, you want to make a deal with the devil. In the lieu of another Bengali women, I really liked Konkana Sen Sharma's representation in Ek Dayan Thi.
Ek Thi Dayan.
I think I was a child when I watched that movie, and she is made so you see it from the perspective of the young boy who first is suspicious of Konkana Sen's character. I don't remember it very, very nicely, but then he ends up warming up to her because she shows maternal love to him, and then they play this hide and seek wala game, and that there's a twist. I think that scene is iconic.
I'm not watching it.
You have to watch it tonight at 12 a.m.
Okay, I will do it.
But it's an iconic film, and I think it didn't get as much kudos that it should have when it comes to creating that fear. So now that we have finished our fellow thought process about Chudel, Dian, and
supernatural,
Nagins.
Everything supernatural about women.
I think we should just embrace all the hysteria that is associated with us, our demonness, our evil, our
curly hair,
our disheveled mad selves, and just look back at the world and say, we don't care.
I am the Diane.
And I am the
That's the
Churel.
that's the thing we'll say.
Yes.
I am the Diane. I am the Chudel. Title of this movie.
Yes. Churel, Bunny, Diane.
So saying it again, we are not professionals. We are just some Dianes spiraling with you guys, for you guys, with our
Brain rot content, our messy memes, sometimes wisdom, and lots of spiral. So
because we are just two girls.
who are spiraling together.
बाय बाय. अगर ये हमारा नहीं हुआ ना वायरल तो मैं बहुत मारूंगी इसको.